Howdy folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. Kind of keeping my eye on the weather. I'm going to go fishing, but I need to get some gear ready, so I'm going to show you a quick how-to video of spooling your open face reel without getting all those nasty hair net and tanglers that ruin your day. So stay tuned, I'll show you how you do that real quick. You are watching Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. So I was sent a couple of reels and a rod to try out by this Gomex company, and I'm getting ready to spool this one up. I put it on my old Mitchell, and I'll show you the other rod. That'll be another video. But anyway, today's video is just a how-to, so stay tuned. So first off, what you want to do is, if you're looking down the rod and you cranking it, you can notice the bail is moving counterclockwise. So what you want to do is to make sure the string comes off of the spool the same way, counterclockwise. In this case, it's the sticker away from me. That's not always the case. So if I peel that up, you can see the line comes off counterclockwise, and that's how we just want to transfer it directly onto the spool. And what I usually do is I just use lay it face down where it's going to come off, and I just put a screw with a washer just so it's not going anywhere. Now we're going to thread the line onto the rod. Give me a second because my hands aren't working. And I'm back. Okay, so now you're just going to want to thread that down your eyelets all the way down to your spool, and we'll get started. Okay, so now we've got this down here. What you're going to do is open the bail, and then you're going to tie it onto your spool. And I'm just going to do a slip knot. We're not going to cover how to do a slip knot in this. You can YouTube that. real simple. All right. Okay, got interrupted there a minute. Where were we? All right, now we've got our line tied on our spool, and then you'll just want to cut off your little leftover dog leg there. Just got a little pair of snips. Now you can close the bail, and she's ready to reel up. So let's do it. I'll show you. All right, so now you want to have tension on the line, usually up close to the first eyelet, and go above your spool. Just start spooling it on. That easy. And now it's transferring off of that spool onto this spool coincidingly. That's how you do it. Okay, so now you're going to want to fill the bail, but you don't want to go past the bevel right here. You want to come up just to it and just give it a little bit of a gap, like 1/16 of an inch. You don't want to overfill your spool. Then you'll have problems. Hang on. There we go. So I'm just about there. Alright, she's full. I'm going to tie on my jig I'm going to use today and get to fishing. Hope that helped. If you liked it, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. I'm going fishing. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this, and we'll see you next time.